So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is radar chart and how to make radar chart in Power BI. So radar chart is also known as web chart, spider chart or star chart. It is used to display multiple categories of data on each spoke of the chart. It does support the display of multiple metrics as well. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail dataset. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, profit, subcategory. Let's say in this tutorial we want to make a radar chart which shows category wise sales and profit. So for this, let's go back to dashboard pane. First of all, it is not the inbuilt visual, so we have to import it. So for that, go to visualization pane, click on these three dots, click on get more visuals. Now over here, search for radar chart. The first one you can just click on add and it will get added into your visualization pane. Now just double click on this. It will get added into your Power BI report. It is over here. Now in the category field, I will put category, and in y-axis I will first put sales. Let's see what it makes for us. So as you guys can see, we have only one triangle over here because we have added only sales, and there are 3 points. This point representing technology, this point representing offices, and third one is furniture. Now this point is more closer to the triangle vertices, which means that value for this office supplies is high. And if you see this point, it is exactly on the triangle vertex, which states that the sales generated by the technology is the highest. Now let's see what if we add profit in this. Now as you guys can see, in the axis we have sales as well as profit. Now the outer triangle represents sales and the inner triangle represents profit. So in this way, one can make radar chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.